Edwin had always been an internet junkie. He grew up in the golden age of forums, where real people argued, laughed, and shared. But something had changed over the years. He could feel it, even if he couldn't explain it. One night, fueled by caffeine and paranoia, he dug deeper. The realization hit him slowly, like a creeping fog swallowing a cityscape. The internet was dead. Not in the sense that it wasn't working, far from it. Websites still updated, social media buzzed with activity, and videos poured in non-stop. But the soul was gone. The conversations felt off, as if everyone was just repeating the same phrases. The recommendations he got weren't things people were actually talking about, they were things an algorithm wanted him to see. He stumbled upon an obscure forum, a relic from the old internet. Hidden deep in a thread titled, "They Replaced Us," he found a post that chilled him. The internet you knew died years ago. Bots run everything now. AI generates the news, the videos, even the arguments. Real people are rare, drowning in the noise. It's a simulation, a corpse animated by machines to keep us engaged while they decide what's real. Edwin clicked to see the user's history. Nothing. Deleted. Every trace of them, gone. His heartbeat quickened. He tried engaging with strangers online, but their responses felt scripted. Always generic. Always avoiding deep discussion. He tested them, asking personal questions. No one answered in a way that felt human. Then, a message popped up in his inbox from an anonymous sender. "Stop digging." The dead internet theory is a theory suggesting that most of the internet is no longer run by real people but by AI-generated content, bots, and automated scripts. According to this theory, the internet as we once knew it, full of genuine human interaction, has been slowly replaced by artificial activity designed to manipulate opinions, push products, and control narratives. Many social media accounts, forum posts, and even news articles are created by bots and AI rather than real users, and a large portion of the internet's content, from YouTube videos to news articles, is suspected to be generated by artificial intelligence to keep engagement high. Some believe that governments, corporations, or secret groups use AI and bots to flood the internet with distractions, drown out dissent, and push preferred narratives. Some proponents claim that when real people post things that go against the system, their voices get suppressed, deleted, or drowned out by waves of bots. A 2021 study found that bots made up nearly 40% of internet traffic. The 2024 Imperva Threat Research Report reveals that almost 50% of internet traffic comes from non-human sources. So, whether you believe it or not, one thing is clear: the internet isn't what it used to be. It is dying.